Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Future with Finance. So in this video we are going to discuss about the future price predictions of what Bitcoin can show us the price actions and the future trading opportunities which we can see. Okay, so let's straightforward jump into the chart of the Bitcoin. So this is the Bitcoin chart and we are seeing in USD pairs. So currently what we are observing is the Bitcoin is still in the bearish phase since there is the lower high which we are seeing as compared to the previous week high. So this was the previous week high, that was about 18,220, and this week's high is about 17,253. So as we can see that we are not seeing currently any reversals, and along with that, if you will notice in the RSI chart, so let me zoom it out. Yeah, so this is the RSI chart, and if I will switch to the 4-hour chart, you will see that there was a trend line which the RSI is also respecting currently. So what I see the possibility is if the RSI level goes below this trend lines, then there is a huge possibility that there will be a huge like a massive sharp downside move which we can see in the Bitcoin pair. Along with that, if we can see in the daily chart, we are seeing that there is no sign of reversal up till now, and currently we are respecting the support level of 16,500 since it was a large support. So in the month of November 2020 we have saw this as a support level. So let me quickly draw it for you. So yeah, here we have seen some kind of consolidation, and once it tasted back, this was acting as a great support level. So at this point of time, the Bitcoin has shown us a great bounce from this point. Okay, so what I see currently is if we can plot the Fibonacci retracement graph, so you will be more clear like what are the next resistance and next target levels which we can observe. So currently we see that this level is acting as a resistance. So this today's daily chart daily candle is also red. Okay, so yesterday's daily candle was green, but we could not sustain above this level, which as per Fibonacci retracement chart is showing as a huge resistance for us currently. Okay, so if we will focus, like if we will break this level, that is 16,972, in round figures you can approximately say, like if we sustain the level of 17,000 for the next couple of days, right, then our next target will come across, like the next resistance will be like 17,800 60 or 850 most probably, because we have seen a bounce from here, and since we are trading below this level, so this level will act as a great resistance for us now. Okay, apart from that, if we want to see like what are the next targets if we break the level of 15,600. So let me quickly plot the Fibonacci again, but in the opposite direction, so as to see our next targets. So from here to here. Okay, so if we will break the level of 15,600, right, so then most probably our next target level would be around 11, that is on round figure 12,000. Okay, but as per the technical chart analysis, we are seeing that the level of 12,300 is acting as a great support level, since we have seen a resistance in the year of 2020 at this point, and once we have broke this level, we have seen a sharp massive upside move. Okay, so continuously Bitcoin has shown as a huge rally whenever it crossed the level of 12,300, right? So now this level will act as a next support if we will break the level of 16,300 currently we are trading. So if we'll break the level of 15,600, right, so our next target will be 12,300 around. So that will be a huge opportunity for us to short the Bitcoin from this level. But uh, but stay tuned, I'll just tell you like what are the risk of shorting at this level. So this we can see that 21%, approx 21% is the approximate points which we can capture in the downside direction. But guys, as we have seen, like this was a really long red candle in the downside move. So suppose if you have shorted the Bitcoin at this level, okay, or at this level somewhere at this point, then you might have seen that in the next candle itself it again went in the upside direction, and it was approximately equal to this red candle size. Okay, so there was a huge possibility, like most of the investors which have shorted Bitcoin from here and putting a resistance at some this level, they might have got liquidated, right? So it would be really risky to short at this level, but I would really encourage or suggest you like to do your own analysis before taking any trade. But as per my analysis, you can short the Bitcoin as we will cross the level of 15,600. Okay, so our next target will be around 12,300 in a sharp downside direction. Along with that, if you can see, like in my couple of videos back, what I have told was if we will sustain above 99-day moving average, so this is the 99-day moving average. So if we will sustain next 2 to 3 days above this 99-day moving average, then only we will see the upside direction of Bitcoin. So this was the one bottom and this was the double bottom pattern. Okay, so if we have sustained the level of 99-day moving average, then there was a possibility of upside move. But since we have seen the downside direction, so now it is again went into the consolidation phase, and there is no like there is no indication like this is the bottom or the reversal is coming anytime soon. Okay, so if we will see the fear and greed index, so we are currently in the extreme fear sentiment of the market. Okay, so there is a some bearish, not some, like a lot of bearish sentiments going around in the market since after the coming of the FTX exchange going bankrupt. There is more bearish sentiment that is dominating in the market currently. So if we will go through this article by the Economics Times, we can see that the Bankman, which is the who was the CEO of FTX, is trying to raise the fresh cash. Okay, so that he can like he can make some sort of correction in his business strategy, and he can like return some of the amounts which investors have lost in this activity which made the FTX as a bankrupt. Okay, so but now there is no confirmation from Sam Bankman still that he has made any sort of accomplishments in this direction. But yeah, the news is yet to come, like if he has any good news for FTX investors. Okay, so that was all about the Bitcoin chart. So now coming to the 1 hour chart, let us quickly see if there is any trading opportunity for us. Okay, so currently 16,300 is acting as a support. So here, from here we can see that this was a sharp spike. So by touching this level, Bitcoin was again uh, gave us the reversal in the upside direction. But yeah, this is not that much strong support now, since we have broke it many times. So it has shown us the bounce like one time, two time, three time, and this is the fourth time we are coming and tasting the level of 16,361. Okay, so there will be a huge chance, like if we again break this level, okay, so then there will be a downside direction of move, and our next target will be 15,800 for short-term traders. Okay, so 15,800 is my next target if we break this level, right? So my next target will be 12,300. So currently what I would suggest you is like don't go for long trades. Okay, just focus on the short trades to short the Bitcoin. Okay, and since we are seeing this 99-day moving average in 1 hour chart, so it is acting as a resistance as well. So, and also if you will notice that RSI, so we have broke this trend line in 1 hour chart, and we are not below 30 levels, so we are still not in a oversold range. So there may be a chance like more selling will come in next couple of days or next couple of hours. So it will be better to just wait for the opportunity to get reversal, and you can then long. Okay, otherwise you can see that there we 99-day moving average is acting as a resistance, and here also it's not yet crossing in the upside direction or any reversal sign is coming. Okay, so better to watch, and if we break this level you can just short it, but don't leverage it more than 3x. Okay, if you will just short it in a small quantity, okay, then there will be not that much loss if the trend goes beyond your favor. Okay, so if the trade doesn't go in your favor, so there won't be much loss, but if trade goes in the favor of what you have thought, so there will be a huge profit in this trade. Okay, that's all update I have about the bitcoins. So if you are new to this channel, please do consider subscribe it, and do hit a like button and notification bell icon so that you never miss our next video update. See you all in my next video. Thank you.